Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unstake Shiba Inu on Shibaswap. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to search for shibaswap.com. This will land you on the official website of Shibaswap. Now over here, you need to hover over to the top where you are going to see this connect wallet button. So you will have to click on connect wallet, and after that you just have to connect any of the wallets that you have like Coinbase or MetaMask. For this video, I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet with it. So I'll simply select the MetaMask wallet. So for this video, I'm going to select the Coinbase wallet. So I'll simply click on the Coinbase wallet, and then the Coinbase wallet section will open in front of me. Now I will click on this connect button, and there you go. You have successfully connected your wallet with Shibaswap. Now is the time to unstake your token. Now over here, you are going to see this section of bury where you will have to click on stake tokens. Once done, you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different options like bury shib, bury leash, and bury bone. So among these, you will have to select the bury shib option. After doing so, you will be redirected on the bury shib page where you are going to see all of the coins that you have previously staked on Shibaswap. Here you will have to click on the unstake option in the top, and then you will have to enter the amount of Shiba Inu coins that you want to unstake. You can select the 50%, 25%, 75% or 100%. After that, you will have to click on the approve button, and once you have successfully confirmed your unstaking, you will be able to easily unstake your Shiba Inu coin on Shibaswap. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.